Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. Welcome to our tutorial series on how to build website with HTML and CSS. In the last tutorial, I showed you how to make effects on a link, how you can create an effect on a link. Usually when you mouse on a link, it brings out a pop-up which gives you more information about the link. And that in the last tutorial we learned how to do that. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you two things. Number one is how to bring an image to your website, and number two, how to make that image a link. So first and foremost, the first thing you will do before you can bring an image to your website is to first pick that image from wherever it is, copy it and bring it to the folder where your index files are stored. So first let's look for an image. Let's look for a good image, maybe something like maybe educational. Let me pick these books. Let's copy it. First, we need to understand the property of this image. Let's go to property. The property. Let's get the property of the image. The name of the image is educational material 5 and the file is JPG. JPG. We're interested in the file format, that is JPG. So let's know the file format JPG. So let's copy it, and then I'm going to take it to the folder. This is the folder where my index files are stored, and I'll paste it here. I'm going to change this name to maybe, let me change it to logo. Let me change the name to logo. Now I've changed the name to logo, and the file format, you can see the file format is JPG. And take note of that, the file format is JPG. Okay, now let's go back to our designing website. Okay, now we're going to create a code that will bring this image to the website. So first you write this img, that is the symbol for image. Then now we're going to include an attribute here called src. I believe that means source. Src, then equal to, then we're going to write the name of that image and the format, the file format. The name of that image is logo. The file format is JPG. And all this will be in an inverted comma, open and close, and then you close all. So this is the tag for written image. Now let's save and refresh. You can see the image is on our desktop. The image is on the desktop. It has come to the desktop. The image is on the desktop. So we have brought the image to our desktop. It's as simple as less than sign, the img, and then space src equal to sign, then invited, comma, open and close, then the name of the image and the format in this way, then greater than sign, and then your image will appear on your website. Now, just like I said earlier, I said we're going to make this image a link. We want to make it a link such that when you mouse over this image, it should be able to get you to a link. It should be able to get you to a link. So let's make this image a link. Now, to make this image a link, this is what you will do. You will now include the link tag in this way. Okay, now this is the link tag. I've just included the link tag, but inside this link tag, the first one, we will include another attribute called the href. I believe you remember href equal to, and now you're going to add where do you want this link to go, where do you want this image link to take you to. You're going to add it to it. And now maybe we should add http google.com. google.com http, sorry, let's / here, then google.com. Now we have added a link to it. We have made this image a link. Now let's see if it's going to work. All right, now let's save and refresh. Okay, all right, as you can see, it shows that this image is a link. When you mouse over it, it turns into a hand. That means that this image is a link. Now let's click on it. Now we are on google.com page. It means that our tag has worked. So that image has been turned into a link. So that is how you turn an image into a link. We've come to the end of today's video. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching.